This tutorial will show you how you can configure and use the IDEA assessments. ID8 gives users the option to conduct IDEA assessments, in which they assess the ideas on multiple criteria. These assessments provide further input into the evaluation of the ideas. To enable IDEA assessments for a particular challenge, go to that challenge and then click on Challenge Admin. You will need to be a moderator of the challenge. Otherwise, you will not have access to this functionality. Click on Configure Challenge and then on Configure Assessments. IDEA assessments consists of IDEA assessment groups, which each contain one or more IDEA assessment factors. Each group has a full name and a shorter label, which is used in the charts. Each factor has 4 range statements, which need to be arranged so that the text on the left corresponds with a low score on a chart. For example, very high project costs would be on the left, whereas a very high probability of success would be on the right. Let's add a new group, Impact on Crime Rates. We want to give people the opportunity to assess the ideas on the impact they would have on the actual crime rates. Once this group is added, we can add one or more factors to it. If there are multiple factors within one group, then their results will be aggregated into one group result. In this case, we can think of only one factor, so we also call that Impact on Crime Rates. Once the factor is saved, we can configure its range statements. Try to put some quantifiable elements in these statements. That will make it easier for people to provide feedback. Now go to the Ideas page and click on an idea that you would like to assess. Click on the idea assessment and use the sliders to indicate how you think the idea scores on the various factors. When you are done, press Save Changes. You don't need to save separately for each factor or group. Now go to the Idea View page and look at the idea assessment results. The idea assessment chart shows in 2 different colors the results from the idea editors and the results from the general public. This helps to maintain the credibility of the idea assessment. One word of caution with regards to idea assessments. Once you have enabled the idea assessment, and it has been used, be careful when you make changes to the groups, factors, or statements. Any changes may make the earlier assessments invalid. To avoid this, try to get the idea assessment configuration right the first time. If you have to change something afterwards, it is better to delete the current group or factor and then create a new one. That way, past assessments may not be complete any longer, but at least they won't be wrong. This concludes the tutorial on how to configure and use IDEA assessments. Have a look at other ID8 tutorial videos to learn more about the exciting features and possibilities that ID8 offers.